If you're looking for the biggest Hostinger discount available right now, this is the exact deal you want to use. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 75% off hosting, plus an exclusive extra 10% off coupon code, plus a free domain name on annual plans, and yes, this stacks. You'll actually pay less than what you see on Hostinger's pricing page when you use the link and coupon I provided in the description below. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get the Hostinger discount, how to apply the coupon code, and the exact pricing you'll pay. Let's get started. To get this deal, go down to the description below and click the Hostinger discount link I provided. Right next to that link, you'll see the exclusive Hostinger coupon code you use at checkout. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the absolute lowest pricing available and actually lower than going directly to Hostinger. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger website. Click the Start Now button. Hostinger offers 3 main web hosting plans. Premium web hosting. This is perfect for beginners or smaller websites. You can host multiple websites and get great performance at a low cost. With the discount applied, this plan can be as low as $269 per month. Business web hosting. This is the most popular option and the one I usually recommend. You get faster performance, more resources, and better overall value. With the discount, this plan can be as low as $359 per month. Cloud Startup Plan. This is ideal for higher traffic websites or if you want the best performance. It's more powerful and built for scalability. With the deal, this plan can be as low as $719 per month. Now, this part is very important. You get a free domain name on any annual plan. The monthly plan does not include a free domain, and the coupon code does not apply to monthly plans. So if you want the biggest savings, you want to choose an annual term. After selecting your plan, you'll choose your billing term. The longer the term you choose, the lower your monthly price will be. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the coupon code field. Enter the exclusive Hostinger coupon code from the description. You'll see the price update instantly, giving you an additional 10% off on top of the discount. When you combine the Hostinger sale pricing, the exclusive 10% off coupon, and the free domain, you'll actually save more than what's shown on Hostinger's pricing page. That's why using the link and coupon together is key. If you want to get started with Hostinger at the lowest possible price, go ahead and click the link in the description, use the exclusive coupon code, and lock in the biggest discount available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.